We'll guide you through how to upload PDF in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To upload a PDF in Google Drive, begin by launching Google Chrome on your desktop or laptop. Click on the search bar, type Google Drive, and press the Enter key. When the results appear, select the primary link to open the Google Drive homepage. Once the website loads, locate the Sign In button and click it. Choose the Google account you want to use for storing your file. If the system asks for a passkey, simply click the Continue button to proceed. Enter your passkey or unlock the account using your device's biometric verification if that option is available. If you see a prompt asking you to add a recovery phone number, select Cancel to bypass that step. You may also see prompts requesting your physical address or additional profile details, and these can be skipped as well. After completing the login process, your Google Drive dashboard will appear and be ready for file management. To keep your files organized, create a new folder by clicking the +New button located in the top left corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select New Folder to begin creating a storage folder. In the folder name field, type Documents so your uploaded files can be grouped together neatly. Once the name is entered, click the Create button to finalize the folder. The new folder will now appear in your drive. Double-click the folder to open it and enter the folder workspace. After you're inside the folder, click the +New button again in the top left area. From the list of options that appears, choose File Upload. A File Explorer window will open, allowing you to browse the files stored on your computer. Navigate through your folders until you locate the PDF file you want to upload. Click once on the PDF to highlight it, confirming that it is selected. Then click the Open button to begin uploading the file from your computer to Google Drive. Watch the progress bar that appears at the bottom of the screen and wait until the upload process finishes completely. Once the progress bar disappears, your PDF file will appear inside the Documents folder and be ready for viewing, sharing, or further organization.